In the previous video, I created, I did a change in the repository I'm working with and submitted a pull request actually. And the issue is now that I realized that I didn't write on the commit message the keyword that I want to use so that the pull request, when merged, automatically closes the relevant issue. So I forgot to add a little message that says something like closes 259. Because I'm already sharing this, so this is showing the last commit message to just demonstrate that I forgot to do that, and this is also showing that I already have pushed this, and I don't want to change the history of my repo. I don't want to amend this commit. Instead, what I want to do is to add a new commit that includes that keyword, but has no changes. So how do you go about that? I mean, you may want to do git commit, but if you do it right away with a new message, you will need some message. You will need some. So you will realize that you cannot. So Git does not allow that. But you need, if you use the flag allow empty, then you can. So the idea is that you can allow empty, and this message is going to include closes. This which said 259, and this might sound a little odd to you now, but let me go ahead and do it. Did you do much any file? Okay, I forgot to add the flag message, right? So now you can see that, so the last commit has no change, but it does have the flag that I want to add. And the reason why I do that is because when I go to let's go to the pull request, let's go view on the browser, let's go there, because what I really want to happen is to kind of make the life easier of the person who's going to merge this pull request. So this pull request has two, I'm not going to actually merge it, but I want to show you what will happen. This pull request has two commits, right? The one that it actually does something useful, and then the one that creates the, adds that commit message. Actually, I forgot to push that. That's why it's not showing up there. So if I do git log, you can see that this commit here hasn't been pushed. It's one commit ahead. So let's go ahead and do git push. And now if I refresh the pull request, I should see the two commits. So the one that did the change, and let's scroll down. Where is it? It's not. I'm surprised that I don't see it here. Let's see what happened here. Git log. Okay, so this has been pushed to origin, to the, and okay, here it is now. It looks like it took a little while to appear there. So so far this might be a little confusing. Why could you add that flag as a commit message? And the reason is because when we merge pull requests, we usually do this. We click the squash and merge, and when we do the squash and merge, we get each commit message as a bullet point. So now this will close this pull request when it is merged. I'm not going to do this now because it has to go first to review. But this is a common daily pattern. If you forget to include the keyword on a commit message and you pushed that in a pull request, if you have no additional change that you need to push, then you can always push an empty commit if you use the flag allow empty.